Let's say I want to add a space before any dollars but between the digits. Of course, we could search for any dollar and add a space dollar. But this is not correctly working because if we have multiple dollars, doesn't gonna work, space adding before any dollar. Also, if I do something like that, look at here, it is also highlighting anything before dollar even if it is character, not numerical. So I could make the range, let's say 0 to 9, and then of course we have dollar sign. And simply now I could replace it with something like what? Which digit? If I type space dollar, our values will gonna destroy. So in this case, we need expressions too. I will add the rounded brackets here. And then here say the first expression. Let's add space and dollar. Now if I find, let's start from beginning. It is not selected the first part, only here. And I could replace with that any digits current values and add a space dollar. Replace them all and there it is. Simply and quickly we replace them. Another example is I want to search anything includes between the quotations and replace the format. Of course I could type the double quotation, star and double quotation and replace with format, font, maybe the gray color and italic. Okay. If I start replacing, as you see it is working, but still my quotations remain, which I don't want to do that. So I undo that just as an example. Alright. In this case, again we need expression, but which part we want to left? I add inside of rounded brackets. So I exclude the quotation marks from the brackets, only the star. Now I want to define which part I want to use. Of course, backslash and number 1. And the backslash number 1, it is only content and the quotations are not included. And then if I start replacing, there it is, we replaced without any quotations. So we could use these benefits in many cases, and even you could combine it together and even make more power with other special operations and complex finding and replacing.